What's up guys, and welcome to another build series with Better Body Equipment. Today we have the 90-inch standard squat rack we're going to put up together. We are using one of our floor models that we took apart just for this video, so if the stuff looks a little nicked up, don't worry, yours will be brand new looking when you open it up. This is a really easy rack to put up. Just recommend that you have a partner or someone with you that can help you get it up, because sometimes those uprights can kind of get a little wobbly when you're bolting everything in. So if you have a buddy, friend, whatever it is, get them to help you out. But yeah guys, this is a really quick, easy one. It shouldn't take us too long. Let's jump into it. Okay, here's a quick pan of all of our parts we got today. Make sure you get everything unboxed ahead of time. Makes the build a lot easier. All right guys, first things first, we're gonna lay the base. Super simple. We wanna find these 3 pieces. They're gonna go on the bottom. One looks like this, the other one looks the same. And we have our cross piece that goes between them. So, now when we're doing this build, we want to make sure that this is facing on the outside. So basically the longer section of this piece is going to be facing outwards. So again, you have the flush flat piece out here, same with here, and we're going to put in our base at the back, 2 holes on each side that are located on the end here. So another simple thing about this build is all the hardware is the exact same except for these 2 shorter pieces here. So we're just going to take these pieces, make sure we have a washer on the end of each, and we're just going to put them in through the outside to the inside. All right guys, and quick note, tools that we're using today, all we have here is a 1-inch socket, hammer drill, just to make things a little bit faster, and then an adjustable wrench here to get everything done. So, now that we have the base laid, we've got all the bolts in, we're just gonna put the nuts and the washers in on the other sides on all 4 pieces, and we'll be on to the next step. Okay, next we're gonna take our 2 uprights here, with the numbers facing outwards, and then just hook it in the slot like that. Then we're gonna take these small bolts I was talking about earlier and just thread it. And we're gonna repeat on the other side as well. Okay, now that we have the cross pieces in, we're gonna stabilize them with these triangle shaped plates here. And then we do have another plate that goes on the other side. I like to start with just the top section here, and then you can add in the rest later. So make sure we have the washer on the bowl here, wash the other side, and then a nut to finish. And then we're just gonna repeat all the sides here. So you should have used a total of 4 pieces of hardware for this section here. And then now we're just gonna tighten everything in. Okay, now we're just gonna repeat the same thing on this side here. Okay, and for one of the final steps, we're doing the pull-up bar here. As you can see, there's multiple different heights you can adjust the pull-up bar to whatever suits your kind of knees, however high your ceiling is. Just a bunch of things to keep in mind. If you have a lower ceiling, we definitely recommend having the pull-up bar lower just so you can get your head up or whatever you have to do, and you're not gonna obviously touch the ceiling. And then if you are doing this yourself, this is one of the trickier sections. So what I like to do is get the hardware prepped in advance. And then we're gonna start with getting these ready. All right, so I need a bit of a step stool to get up here. Okay, now that we have the bolts in place, we're just gonna tighten everything in. All right, now that we got the pull-up bar fastened here, all we want to do is go back to all of our hardware that we previously tightened and really just give it an extra crank just to make sure everything's solid and secure. Okay, now the rack is done. We're just gonna add our J-cups and our spotter arms to whatever desired height we want. Okay guys, now we have our Better Body squat rack totally complete. The standard rack's an awesome rack. It's really a squat stand. We've all just called it a squat rack. Amazing thing, super sturdy. We've been using it in our own warehouse gym for quite some time. This exact unit, it's just a staple for everyone here. So yeah, overall, super straightforward build. If you have any questions, concerns, try our email right here, or you can use our toll-free number right here as well. Hopefully the build didn't give you guys too much troubles. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing Better Body.